Derivation of third equation of motion v square minus u square is equals to 2as by using velocity time graph, that is graphical method. So this is the graph. So from the velocity time graph, so PO is equals to RS is equals to initial velocity, and from here to here or here to here it is a final velocity, and here to here is difference in velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity QR is, and this is O to S which is equal to P to R, that is time taken. So distance traveled S equal to area of the figure OPQS, so which is a trapezium shape. So distance traveled equal to area of the trapezium. So S equal to area of trapezium given by the formula sum of parallel sides into height by 2. So parallel sides means PO and QS. So S equal to sum means plus PO plus SQ, and height means this is taken as height. So OS. PO means U, SQ means V into T by 2, equation 1. We know that first equation of motion V equal to U plus AT. So this implies V minus U equal to AT and T equal to V minus U by A. So substitute this equation in the equation 1. So S equal to U plus V by 2, T means V minus U by A. So S is equals to V plus U, in it is changed. U plus V is written as V plus U and V minus U by 2 into A, 2A. So this implies by the cross multiplication S into 2A, 2AS equal to V plus U into V minus U. So V plus U into V minus U equal to V square minus U square. So we know the formula A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. So according to that, V plus U into V minus U is V square minus U square equal to 2AS. So this is the derivation of third equation of motion by the velocity time graph. So just U plus V is here replaced as is written as V plus U into V minus U. 2 into A, 2A. By the cross multiplication, 2 in S into 2A, 2AS equal to V square minus U square. So V square minus U square is equals to 2AS.